Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to taking the case of aeroplane in which the rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction when viewing from the rear and plane taking the left turn, and we want to find out the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on aeroplane. So in here, when view from the rear side, the rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction means when you are viewing from this side, the direction would be this. So anti-clockwise direction, and plane is taking left turn, so it's taking left turn. So as we know that if rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, so according to right hand rule, if we curl our finger in the anti-clockwise direction and in this direction, and our thumb will direct or will be in this direction, so the angular momentum vector would be this one. This is our ls, and when it's taking the left turn, this ls would move in this direction, and when plane taken the 90-degree turn, this would be the final direction of ls vector. After taking the turn, this is our angular momentum vector. So as we know that from the lecture, we can say this ls would change the direction of active gyroscopic couple. So we can say this is the direction of active gyroscopic couple. Active gyroscopic couple. And from Newton's third law, as we discussed in the lecture, this would be the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. So we can say this would be the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple, and this is axis of precession, and this is axis of spin. So if this is the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple, then we know that the sense of rotation would be this. In this direction. So we can say if this is the reactive gyroscopic couple acting on the plane, so the effect on the plane is in this direction. So we can say tail of the plane will be raised. Tail of plane will be raised and nose will be dipped. So your answer would be the effect on the plane of this situation would the tail of the plane would be raised and nose of the plane would be dipped. So in the next class we'll take the another case and we'll discuss the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on the plane. So thank you.